This 2018 GMC Sierra 3500 HD DUALLY is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. 4WD Crew Cab 167.7 end quote, 4WD Standard Pickup Trucks Mechanical Rear Axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engines. Suspension package, standard includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorbers and 3 3mm front stabilizer bar pickup box GVWR, 11,000 pounds, 4990 kilograms, with single rear wheels, requires K35943 or K35953. Requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Air cleaner, high capacity transfer case, with floor mounted shifter, included with 4WD models only. Cooling, external engine oil cooler cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler.